Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream of Utah. Today on this walkthrough Wednesday, I'm going to give you a glimpse of everything we have currently available for sale. Join me. Starting off with all of our touring coaches, I have this 2022 Interstate 24 GT. Next is this 2022 Interstate 19 two-wheel drive. I also have a 2023 Interstate 19 four-wheel drive. And I have this 2022 Atlas Tommy Bahama edition. Now on to our travel trailers. This 2023 27 front bed, queen bed Globetrotter. I have this 2023 Flying Cloud front bed, rear bunk. I have this 2023 23-foot front bed, queen bed Flying Cloud. I have this 25 front bed, queen bed with a hatch Flying Cloud. I have this 2023 28 rear bed International. I have this 2023 27 front bed, queen bed with a bunk International. I have this 2023 25-foot Flying Cloud twin bed, front bed with a bunk. And we have this 2023 Basecamp 16X. Now we'll take a look at all of our consigned vehicles. I have this 2016 Flying Cloud 25 rear bed, twin bed. Also have this 2021 30-foot rear bed International. I have this 2014 27 front bed, queen bed Flying Cloud. I have this 2018 27 front bed Globetrotter. I have this 2021 Atlas Tommy Bahama. I have a 2019 16 rear bed Sport. I have a 2021 Basecamp 16X. I have this 2022 Caravel 22 front bed. And I have this 2022 Basecamp 20X. This is every model we currently have available on the lot, both new and used. Should you have any questions about any of these, please consult our website. You can find more photos, pricing, and everything else on there. Please stop by and check them out in person. We'd love to help you out. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.